Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create drop-down in cells. For that, first right-click on the cell and select Data Validation. In Data Validation, use Criteria option and select List of Items. In right side box, enter your drop-down list by separate the text using comma. Then save the data validation window. Now simply copy-paste that cell to the entire column to get the drop-down values. In similar way, for the next column, use the data validation feature. Then save the data validation window. Now, as we did in the previous column, just copy-paste that cell to the entire column to get the drop-down option. Now you can find the drop-down list in the cells. By just click the cell, you can find drop-down option to select. From that option you can choose one as per your requirement. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is useful, consider to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.